So I grew up in Washington. I really got tired of the rain and the clouds. So, we moved to the desert. Went to Arizona State for undergrad. Then ended up going to California for law school. After that, we decided we wanted to slow things down a little bit. So we came back to Vegas. Vegas doesn't really seem like a slow it down kind of place, but we really liked the small community, the lake, the football teams, hockey. It really had everything that we wanted to settle down at, so we jumped back in. Actually met a friend of my friend, that they were lawyers, and when I was really young, when I was like 6, and they were just the coolest people I'd ever met. They always had really cool stories, and I really, from that age, I was like, oh, I'll be a lawyer. I don't think I really knew what a lawyer was at that point. But then later on, I actually ended up getting in a car accident in high school. So I had a traumatic brain injury, and dealing with that, we found an attorney that she really helped us through, all the difficulties, that come along with an injury. And after that, I wanted to be that same kind of person. I wanted to, help people through their darkest times and really make people feel comfortable when they were scared. I love it. I love that, my friends and family come to me when they have questions about the law, or, if they've been in trouble. I know it can be scary, so I really love being able to break it down. Sometimes it's super complicated, and to just make people feel, at ease, a little bit less frightened, and it feels good. It feels good to have that knowledge and to be able to pass that. So I worked at several other law firms throughout college, throughout law school, and mostly in the civil litigation side of things. So that's what I did right after I graduated. I did civil litigation for a firm that worked in California and Nevada, so I had clients in both places. But I wasn't really loving the civil litigation side of things, so I was on the search. I just moved to Nevada, and you see Richard Harris everywhere, of course, and researching the law firm of Richard Harris, I really loved the community outreach, and they looked like it was a fun place to work, have a big family, which is what I was looking for. And so, when I saw an opening, I applied and ended up here, and I love it so far, so it's great. I work at the defender side. I'm just starting out, so it's all pretty new, but I'm loving it over here so far. We're in trial every day, whether it's, small traffic matters to, more serious felony cases. And, I'm learning a lot. It's a fun team to work with, and it's really rewarding working with our clients and, helping them through those difficult times.